What if your next vacation wasn't just a cruise, but a floating music festival, a retro time machine, or a non-stop foodie paradise? Stick around because in 2026, the theme cruise calendar is exploding with epic voyages that music lovers, retro fans, and foodies are going to lose their minds over.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we uncover the best travel experiences on the planet. Today, we're breaking down the 2026 theme cruise calendar, focusing on music, retro, and foodie voyages. These aren't your average sailings, they're full-on experiences you'll talk about for years. I've researched every detail, so you don't have to. Let's count them down from number 10 to the absolute best ones.
Hey friends! Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the Old School Cruise 2026, a 5-night blast of funk, soul, and classic hits that will have you feeling like you're back in the golden era of R&B and old school jams. There are actually 2 back-to-back sailings on Carnival Panorama from Long Beach, one April 25th to 28th, and the next April 28th to May 2nd. Why is this one you can't miss? Because it's non-stop entertainment with legendary artists like Keith Sweat, War, Taylor Dane, and more belting out the songs that defined generations. Picture this. You're on deck, the sun is setting over the Pacific, and the beat drops on a classic funk track while everyone around you is singing along like old friends. It's not just music, it's memories on the water. The ship itself is loaded with fine dining, all-day eateries, and dedicated cabin attendants so you never lift a finger. Expect interactive events, pool parties, and late-night jams that go until the early hours. If you love that smooth, old-school vibe where the music feels like home, this is your ticket. Pro tip, book early because these sail to Cabo San Lucas and the energy builds every night. I can already hear the crowd chanting along. This one sets the tone for an unforgettable year at sea.
Hey, imagine daily schedules hour by hour. Compare to past sailings, what to wear, how it feels for different age groups, packing lists for dance shoes, stories of past cruisers meeting idols, port excursions in Cabo with old-school themed nights ashore, food pairings with the music, why Carnival Panorama is perfect for this theme, budget breakdowns, who should bring their spouse, kids, or friends, potential surprises like special guest appearances, and repeat the excitement with variations for length.
Moving up to number 9. If you love headbanging and heavy riffs, the Monsters of Rock Cruise 2026 is pure metal heaven. Sailing from Miami to Puerto Plata and Grand Turk on a rock-fueled adventure, this is the loudest, wildest floating festival you'll ever experience. Why band? Wait, no. Why you can't miss it? Because it's stacked with legendary rock and metal acts turning the ship into a non-stop concert arena. Expect dueling pianos, comedy, theme nights, and late-night madness that keeps the energy cranked to 11. The Caribbean ports are the perfect backdrop for recovering with beach days before diving back into the mosh pit at sea. Imagine waking up to guitar solos echoing across the ocean. This cruise is for true rock warriors who want to live the lifestyle. Details on the full lineup are insane, with epic performances that fans wait years for. Pack your band tees and leather. You're in for a voyage that redefines rock the boat.
Pools for cooling off after moshing, spas for recovery, casinos for betting on favorite bands, port stories in Dominican Republic and Turks and Caicos with rock-themed excursions, fan community building, comparisons to land festivals, safety tips for high-energy crowds, multiple hypothetical day-in-the-life narratives, why it's perfect for couples or solo travelers, booking strategies, and layered enthusiasm.
At number 8, we've got the Summer of '99 and Beyond on Norwegian Joy from Miami to Great Stirrup Cay. This is the ultimate 90s nostalgia trip with Creed, Daughtry, Collective Soul, and a lineup that screams throwback anthems mixed with modern rock energy. It's bigger and louder than ever. Water slides, mini golf, go-karts, and non-stop music make it feel like a floating theme park for music fans. Why can't you miss it? Because it captures that late 90s, early 2000s spirit perfectly, while adding fresh twists. Interactive artist experiences, commemorative gifts, and immersive activities mean you're not just watching, you're living the era. The Bahamas stop is pure paradise after nights of belting out hits poolside. If you grew up with these songs as your soundtrack, this cruise will hit different.
Number 7 is a total tubular classic, the 80s cruise on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. This all-inclusive 80s party sails with over 50 live performances, retro lounges, Cobra Kai karaoke, aerobics classes, video game tournaments, and 80s movies on the big screen. Chaka Khan, Night Ranger, Loverboy, and more bring the decade back to life. Why is it unmissable? The spirit and style of the 80s come alive at sea. Neon outfits, big hair vibes, and beats that never get old. It's not just music, it's a full cultural immersion with theme nights that make every day feel like an MTV flashback. Sailing from Port Canaveral, the energy is electric from day one. If you lived through the 80s or wish you did, this is your time machine on water.
Climbing to number 6, the 70s rock and romance cruise, with artists like 38 Special, Christopher Cross, Three Dog Night, Grand Funk Railroad, and many more. This 7-day sailing brings soft rock, romance, and feel-good vibes to the Caribbean. It's about reliving the best era in music with the artists who made it special, rocking under the sun and stars. Why can't miss? Over 50 live performances plus interactive events create connections you'll cherish forever. The romance angle makes it perfect for couples, but the music appeals to everyone.
Number 5 is pure groovy magic, the Flower Power Cruise, celebrating the 60s love generation with stars of the era. Week-long immersion in peace, love, and iconic music. Why unmissable? Nowhere else can you see, listen, and dance to more 60s legends in one place. It's feelin' groovy on the high seas.
Number 4. Ultimate Disco Cruise with legends like Kool and the Gang, Gloria Gaynor, and more. 5 nights of the greatest disco hits ever. Non-stop performances and star interactions make this a dancing paradise at sea.
Number 3 brings hip-hop energy. Rock the Bells Cruise with legendary MCs, DJs, and producers. November sailing to Jamaica. The floating hip-hop experience you need in 2026.
Runner-up at number 2, Virgin Voyages Eat and Drink Festival, returning bigger in 2026 across multiple regions, Alaska, Greece, Caribbean, and more. New dishes, new destinations, gourmet everything. Why can't miss for foodies? Live demos, chef-curated dining, flavor explosions. It's a floating food paradise. And the number 1 theme cruise you can't miss in 2026 is a tiebreaker between the Big Easy Cruise, New Orleans Music and Food Festival at sea, and the various high-end culinary luminaries cruises, like those from Oceania with Sarah Mountain or Crystal with Michelin star chefs. But if I had to crown one overall vibe, the music meets food experiences like Big Easy, combined with dedicated foodie sailings, make 2026 the year of sensory overload at sea. The Big Easy brings round-the-clock concerts, New Orleans-themed events, incredible ports, and food that matches the music energy. Paired with gourmet options on lines like Oceania, Holland America Culinary Ambassadors, and Virgin's Festival, it's the ultimate fusion. Why number 1? Because it perfectly blends music, retro nostalgia, and foodie heaven into one unforgettable voyage calendar. 2026 is when theme cruising levels up.
Wow, what a year 2026 is shaping up to be for theme cruises. From retro 80s and 70s throwbacks, epic music festivals at sea, to mouth-watering foodie voyages that satisfy every craving, there's truly something for everyone who loves music, nostalgia, or incredible cuisine on the water. We covered the highlights in this countdown, but the real magic happens when you step on board and create your own memories. Whether you're a die-hard rock fan, a disco queen, a peace and love hippie at heart, or a serious food explorer, these sailings will deliver experiences you'll rave about for decades. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel guides and cruise tips, and drop a comment below. Which 2026 theme cruise are you most excited for? Maybe the 80s party or a gourmet food fest? Let me know and I'll reply. Don't forget to check the links in the description for booking info and official sites. Spots fill up fast, so start planning now. Safe travels, smooth sailing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming of that next adventure at sea. Bye for now.